Hey guys, it's Steph, and today we are going to try all of Dairy Queen's new blizzards. So I just placed a mobile order on my phone. I got all the minis because it's a lot of blizzards. It was like $16 or something, and yeah, I'm excited because I love pumpkin stuff, and they have a pumpkin pie blizzard, and I've been wanting to try it for a while. I haven't been to Dairy Queen in forever. I've been wanting to go. And usually, I mean, my dad always would want it, and I'd be like, let's get Dairy Queen, and he'd be like, okay, yeah. But then recently, he's like saying no, trying to eat all healthy, so I just haven't gone to Dairy Queen. And then the one day I wasn't home, he goes to Dairy Queen, and I'm like, I've been asking you for months, and I know I could go by myself, but it's like, who likes to eat alone? Unless you're like filming, but like, Jesus, what the hell? Are you crazy? Sorry. They almost hit me. Excuse me. So, on the app, you get like so many points, and then you get like free blizzards. Why am I like slouching? Ignore the garlic sauce on my shirt. Okay. Like a thief in the night. Brownie dough. I can't wait to try any of these.
We'll be with you in just a second.
Okay. So I'll tell you guys everything that I got.
What can I get for you?
I have a mobile order for Stephanie.
Alright, we're finishing up to add up, so go ahead and pull forward.
Alright, great, thank you. Okie doke. So I got a caramel apple pie blizzard. Interesting. I got a pumpkin pie blizzard. Interesting. An Oreo mocha fudge blizzard treats. Oh, they all say treats. Yeah, those ones are new ones, but they're not really like pumpkin flavored or anything, but that sounds good. Then there's brownie dough blizzard. Brownie dough, Oreo mocha fudge. Okay. And then I also just got one of my favorites. I could put these all in the freezer. Don't worry, they're not gonna go to waste. I'm gonna try them all, but I am full right now. I just ate pizza. Ah! Piggy pig right here. Okay, so let me tell you guys what is all in them. So the caramel apple pie has apple pie pieces, soft caramel pieces blended with soft serve ice cream, topped with whipped cream. Okay, fancy. It has whipped cream on it. That's a little cute. So then we got the pumpkin pie blizzard, which my dad was thinking this would be gross. To me, I don't think this is gonna be like gross. Real pumpkin pie pieces blended with our world famous soft serve ice cream, topped with nutmeg and whipped cream. Okay. Wow. The mini is $3. Okay, why does this one say $0? Oh, because I got so many points. You guys need to get the app. So then the Oreo mocha fudge one has Oreo cookie pieces, coffee, and cocoa chunks mixed with ice cream. $0. That one was free. And then the brownie dough is a brownie dough, cocoa chunks, and cocoa fudge blended with the ice cream. And yeah, see here, it doesn't say there's $0. I don't know, it doesn't make sense. And then I got the Oreo blizzard. I couldn't find it on the menu. They must have changed it up probably because they added all this new stuff. I usually just got the Oreo cheesecake blizzard, but it wasn't there. And I was gonna get just like a side of Oreo cheesecake bites because they are literally so good, the little pieces, and they put like none in your blizzard. I always get like the mini though, so like they could probably only fit like 4 in there, but sometimes I get extra. But I had to add it on to just the Oreo blizzard, and it wouldn't let me do extra. So sad. They're so good. They are like, it's like Cheesecake Factory. Literally. Okay. Let's see how many points I got. It says 50 bonus points when you try any fall blizzard. Oh God. Oh God, they're gonna see both my pizzas. I'm so embarrassed. My car is gonna reek like these pizzas. They've been sitting in here for a little bit. I was gonna put them in my trunk, which I should have done, but I'm gonna have 6.
Mobile order?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. And I remember I said when I got this car I wasn't gonna eat like crazy in it, and now look at me. But I've been vacuuming it like every single time I make a mess or eat in my car. I just take like a little dust buster. Like, is that what it's called? Dust buster. Alright. I just got this shirt and it's from Pappas and I really, really like it. Gray is like my favorite color to wear. I hope it doesn't stain. I'll just have to wash it when I get home. Okay. He just like threw them all in here. They're like upside down and everything. Okay. Brownie dough. The minis are so adorable. And it's crazy because the mini looks like it's like no ice cream, but it's like a lot of calories. But treat yourself. I haven't had this place in forever. Oreo, mocha, brownie. Shit, I already forget. This one says 10 on it. Not sure what that means. Oh, these ones are cute with the whipped cream. So these two are probably like the 2 main new ones, like fall ones. Here we go. It's gonna get messy in here. I'm gonna set them all in my pizza box. Oh wait, yeah, I have my little tray. And I only need 1 spoon. They gave me like 5. Well, they're all for me. This is the process of a thumbnail. You gotta give yourself a few options, okay? So I'm gonna put some on a spoon here because this looks all orange. So that's good for the thumbnail because fall, orange. What is going on? Is it orange or is it not? Okay, whatever. Now that looks horrible. Ooh. Okay. We're good. I'm gonna start blasting the AC. Ew, I shouldn't have looked at that. Well, it's too late now. Okay, first up, we're gonna try this pumpkin pie one because I already kind of put it in my mouth. See, I knew it would be good. That is really good. And what are the chunks in it? I forget. Mmm. Mmm. Little like crunchies. This is really good. I knew it would be good. I love pumpkin though. Like pumpkin cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory is the best thing ever. I'd for sure get this one again. If you're in the mood for pumpkin, you're in the mood for pumpkin. How am I gonna do this? I do not really want to make a huge mess. Mmm, that's so good. I love pumpkin stuff. It's like some good pumpkin ice cream. Which is annoying because the Cheesecake Factory only does like the pumpkin cheesecake for like a month or so. Like they don't do it long at all. And I'm not like super close to a Cheesecake Factory, so I need to get it. Hopefully I can. Okay, let's try this one out. I forget what this one is. The apple pie. Mmm. Caramel apple pie. Yeah. I mean, it's not bad. It tastes like an antique store. I know I always say this, but it gives me back like childhood memories from when my mom would take me to all these antique stores and I'd kind of just walk around by myself and kind of play. Like, I don't know, like I'd just like grab like the little antique bunnies that are like, they smell like cinnamon and stuff, you know. You know what I'm talking about. Kind of just like play. But like, this just reminds me of that. I mean, it's not bad. It's got some, look at that, big chunks. You guys see that? That's one big chunk of what in Helen's house is this? It looks like Cinnamon Toast Crunch pieces. Yeah, it does kind of taste like that. They're like all yellow. That's like the crust. That's what that is. It's actually pretty good. Okay. This one isn't bad, I guess, but I would never order this again. Next up, let's try the brownie dough, which I love chocolate ice cream. I actually prefer chocolate over vanilla. So, this one looks pretty good. And I love brownie pieces and all that. This one's really good. Super chocolatey. And I love the little brownie bites. They're super like chewy and stuff. So cold. You like cannot eat ice cream fast. At least I can't. I can't even eat that much ice cream. I'm not a huge fan of ice cream. Like, you will never see me sitting at home eating out of like a thing of ice cream. And I know a lot of people that do that. Like if you're sad or something, or on your time of the month, you sit there with a big pint of ice cream just eating it. That would never be me. I'd be eating like a burrito or like chips. I don't know why. I'm not a huge fan of something that's super cold, which I know that's the whole point. It's ice cream, but if anything, maybe I like it better in the winter, but in summer, like when you're hot, like eating something cold and dairy like this makes me like my mouth all dry and like thirsty, and I don't know. Okay, the mocha fudge. Whoa. I got like a hint of mocha from the last one. I was like, is this the mocha one? But it didn't say it was on the lid. But holy cow, this tastes like straight up Starbucks. I'm not, no. Interesting. That's very interesting. I mean, it's not bad. Tastes like exactly like a mocha chocolate chip frappuccino from Starbucks. Is that what it's called? If you like coffee a lot, you would like this. I'm not a huge fan of like the coffee flavor. Very strong. It like hits you in the face like bam! Espresso. Okay. My stomach is already starting to hurt. Okay, and this last one isn't even the fall collection, but let's have a cheesecake bite. So this is what it looks like. I guess I should have showed close-ups of all of them. My bad. I'll show you guys the cheesecake bite. I'm gonna like suck on it for a second. Here she is. It's a cute little cheesecake cube. Look at it. It is so good. And look, it's like so soft. Ooh, it's cold. So creamy. It's so good. So good. And then the Oreo Blizzard, you know, basic. Tastes like a McFlurry. I just want to get the cheesecake bites. Probably like, I just spit. Probably just eat the cheesecake bites like out of it. That's what I'm doing right now. And then once I can't find any more, I'm like, yeah, I'm done. I wanted to get an extra side of it. I wish that was like an option on the app. I guess I could have asked at the window, but that's kind of annoying. Come there with like a line. This is for sure my favorite like desserts. Besides like molten lava cake. I'm eating all the cheesecake bites out. I need to save some for later because my stomach is already hurting. Where are you, cheesecake? I know you're in there. Here's one. Okay. So, overall, pumpkin pie one, good. Apple pie, a little bit too much apple for me. The mocha, strong coffee tasting, which I mean, what do you expect? That's the flavor, but gosh, those are so good. And the brownie dough, good. I feel like that's not really like a new one though. I feel like I've had that before. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little taste test. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, let me know down below what blizzard is your favorite. And I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.